Victor, heard your dad left. What happened? Why'd he leave? Does he hate you?
I don't appreciate you guys calling me a cracker because my grandma was a Cherokee princess, so I'm technically Native American. So stop calling me a cracker.
Ever happen?
She'll never have to see.
I'm gonna tell you what, guys. This thing, Hogan is right now. Hollywood Hogan and Savage are beating up a fan. They are beating up one of the fans. Let's Doug Dillinger.
Where were you born, bitch? I was born in America, bitch. Where are your ancestors from? They're not from this country. You're going back to Mexico. Bitch, you better go back to where you're from.
You just walked into it.
He's had dinner with many princes and very
Где работаете? Там работаете.
On the next episode of AMC's The Walking Dead.
Maggie said that her people could take care of the Saviors. So far, all they've done is put our community at risk. We need to talk.